In a small village nestled beside a lush, green forest, lived a young man named Daniel. At 20 years old, he was the heart of the village bakery, known for his delicious bread, cakes, and cookies. Every morning, long before the sun even thought about rising, Daniel would already be at the bakery, kneading dough, his hands moving with a practiced and passionate rhythm. He loved his job, but he held a bigger dream in his heart: to one day open his very own bakery. With every loaf he sold, he saved a little bit of money, a small step toward his grand ambition. One morning, however, everything went wrong. Daniel woke up late, a rare occurrence for him. A glance outside revealed a dark, angry sky, unleashing a torrential downpour. He quickly dressed and rushed out, but the streets were already flooded with water and mud. The rain intensified, blurring his vision. He tried to run faster, desperate to make up for lost time, but in his haste, his foot slipped. He fell hard into the thick, cold mud. His clothes were instantly soaked and stained. A wave of frustration and sadness washed over him. He picked himself up and trudged the rest of the way, arriving at the bakery much later than usual. His boss shot him a look of clear displeasure. The bakery was already bustling with customers, their impatient energy filling the small space. Daniel jumped straight into work, but the morning was a chaotic mess. The heat from the oven was suffocating, the room was crowded, and his mind was still reeling from the fall. As he carried a large tray of freshly baked bread, his foot slipped again on the wet floor. The tray clattered loudly, scattering bread all over the dirty ground. That was the final straw. His boss's face hardened. At the end of that long, stressful day, Daniel was told he no longer had a job. He walked home in a daze, the rain still falling, mirroring the tears he was holding back. His clothes were wet, his shoes were caked in mud, and his spirit was crushed. His dream of opening a bakery now seemed like a cruel joke. Without a job, he couldn't save money. Without money, his dream was impossible. It felt, without a doubt, like the worst day of his life. The next morning, Daniel woke up early out of habit, but there was nowhere to go. He sat by the window, watching the world outside. The storm had passed, and the sky was a brilliant, clear blue. Needing to clear his head, he decided to take a walk. He ambled through the village, where people were emerging from their homes, happy to see the sun again. His feet carried him aimlessly until he reached the small park at the edge of the forest. And there, he saw it. Tucked among the trees was a small, charming wooden building. A sign on the door caught his eye. He moved closer to read it. The sign announced that the village was looking for a young, passionate baker to open a new bakery right there in the park. The village council was even offering to help get it started. Daniel's heart began to pound in his chest. He read the sign again, and then a third time, just to be sure. They were looking for someone who loved baking and was willing to work hard. A spark of hope ignited within him. This was more than a chance. It felt like destiny. He knew he had to apply. A few days later, Daniel stood before the village council. He had spent his last bit of money on ingredients, baking his finest bread and cookies at home. He offered them to the council members. As they tasted his creations, their expressions softened into smiles of genuine delight. They saw his passion, his honesty, and the skill in his hands. After a few days of deliberation, they made their decision. They chose Daniel. Weeks flew by in a blur of excitement and hard work. Finally, the day came. Daniel's bakery opened its doors. It was a small, cozy shop filled with the warm, inviting scent of fresh baking, nestled perfectly beside the trees and the fresh air of the forest. Villagers flocked to his shop every morning for their daily bread. Children stopped by for cookies after school. Families made it a weekend tradition. Daniel worked harder than he ever had before, but this time, it was for his own dream. He was truly happy. One sunny afternoon, as he watched children laughing in the park, his mind drifted back to that terrible rainy day. The day he had lost everything. At the time, he was certain it was the worst day of his life, but now, he understood. Sometimes, the most challenging moments are just redirecting us to a better path. Sometimes, a closed door is just making room for a new one to open. And sometimes, it takes a rainy day to wash everything away, so you can see the sunshine of a new dream waiting for you. Every challenge we face might just be a hidden gift, a new beginning in disguise. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to follow for more inspiration. Thanks for watching.